I mean, I have already posted some MDP videos on our channel. In case you wanna check out. So this time I've saved time on making the front cover page. This time I have not added anything, but instead I have taken out something. As you can see, the file looked like this originally. So I have cut out from this part and altered it like this. And I have also used the cutout part in the file. You will see how. So from the cutout part, I have used owls to hang plates on them. Like this. So this is how the front page looks. Now let's move on to the theme. Earlier, I had two states for the theme, which were Punjab and Tamil Nadu. This time I have another two states, which are Assam and Rajasthan. First subject is English. In English, the subtopic is famous monuments, and for each of the given states, I have taken two monuments each. First, I have taken two monuments from Rajasthan, and the first one of them is Amer Fort. Here, I have written some information about the Amer Fort, which you can find easily on the Google, and I have also pasted a picture with some main points on the top of it. Now, second, a monument of Rajasthan is Hawa Mahal. I have done same for the Hawa Mahal also. Like I have written some information about it from the Google and pasted a picture with some main points. Moving ahead towards the monuments of Assam, we have Rangghar. So this is all about Rangghar, the information and the picture. So next monument is Hajo Temple. I've done the same for Hajo Temple also. All these pictures and the information you can easily find from Google, and you can also write about more monuments if you want. तो अब हम आ गए हैं अपनी मातृभाषा विषय हिंदी पर. हिंदी में हमारे पास विषय था त्योहार. हिंदी में भी मैंने दोनों राज्य के लिए दो त्योहार लिए हैं. तो राजस्थान का पहला त्योहार है पुष्कर मेला. जैसे कि हमने इंग्लिश में किया था, वैसे ही इसमें भी हमने कुछ जानकारी लिखी है. तो यहाँ पर मैंने पुष्कर मेले से संबंधित एक पिक्चर चिपकाया है, जिसमें ऊंट दिख रहे होंगे. और अगर आपको जानना है ऊंट क्यों है इस चित्र में, तो आप पुष्कर मेले के बारे में जान सकते हैं. क्योंकि पिक्चर चिपकाने के बाद ये पेज थोड़ा सा खाली लग रहा था, मैंने यहाँ पे जहाँ पे भी पिक्चर चिपकाई है वहाँ कुछ ना कुछ मेन पॉइंट्स या कुछ भी उससे रिलेटेड लिखा है. अब हमारा राजस्थान का दूसरा त्योहार है हरियाली तीज. इसमें भी मैंने सेम ही पैटर्न फॉलो किया है. यहाँ पे कुछ जानकारी लिखी, यहाँ पे एक पिक्चर चिपकाई और यहाँ पे कुछ मुख्य पॉइंट्स या मेन पॉइंट्स जो इससे रिलेटेड है वो लिखे. तो अब हम आते हैं आसाम के त्योहारों पर. आसाम का मुख्य त्योहार है बिहू, और वहाँ का नृत्य भी बिहू ही है. तो यहाँ पे मैंने बिहू के कुछ अन्य नाम लिखे हैं और एक ऐसा चित्र चिपकाया है जिसमें आसाम की स्त्रियां बिहू नृत्य ही कर रही हैं. अब आसाम का दूसरा त्योहार है अम्बु बाची. आपने शायद इसका नाम ना सुना हो, पर ये भी एक मुख्य त्योहार है आसाम का. यहाँ पे भी मैंने एक चित्र चिपकाया है जिसमें स्त्रियां अम्बुबाची का त्योहार मना रही हैं. ये कामाख्या देवी के मंदिर में मनाया जाता है, और यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ जानकारी लिखी है और इसका समय और स्थान लिखा है. 1, 2, 3, we are moving ahead to maths. So in maths, we have the topic comparative study. So it's quite obvious what we are comparing. We are comparing some main aspects of the two states. First is literacy rate comparison of Rajasthan and Assam. to show this comparison, here I have used double bar graph. We have also done some other comparisons like comparison of area, population comparison, per capita income comparison, and sex ratio comparison. That's all for our subject maths. Next subject is EVS. In EVS, we have states of India. So in EVS, first I have taken Rajasthan. Here I have pasted a map of Rajasthan where I have marked the capital with pink color, which is Jaipur. And I think you know why I have shaded it with pink color. Next I have pasted a political map of India in which I have marked Rajasthan with its neighboring states. Then I have written the districts of Rajasthan, which are divided into 7 divisions, which I have written here. Ajmer division, Bharatpur division, Bikaner division, Jaipur division, Jodhpur division, Kota division, and Udaipur division. Next is our state Assam. Here also I have pasted a map of Assam, and I have pasted a political map of India in which I have shown Assam with its neighboring states. Then, as done in Rajasthan, I have written districts of Assam. But as the division of districts were not clear, so I have divided them on the basis of their starting alphabet, like A to D, E to J, K to N, then O to Z. So that's all for this MDP video. I hope it helped you and I hope you liked it. I'm coming up next with an art integrated project very soon.